Hello, and welcome to our coding snapshot on coding ulcers. Get out your I10CM codebook and let's go to your Chapter-Specific Coding Guidelines, Chapter 12, Diseases of the Skin and Subcutaneous Tissue. The code range for this section is L00 through L99. Pressure ulcer stages for category L89 are identify the site and the stage. So in your coding ulcers, remember that you have to identify both the site of the ulcer and the stage. There are 4 stages of ulcer: stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stage 1 means that the skin is not broken, and on people that have a lighter skin color or tone, the skin may appear red, and for those people that have a darker skin tone, the skin doesn't easily lighten when touched, or the term blanch might be used. For stage 2, the outer layer of the skin, that's your epidermis, and part of the underlying layer, which is the dermis, is damaged or lost. So the wound may appear shallow, pinkish, or red in color. In stage 3, there's loss of skin that usually exposes some type of fat. And the final stage here, stage 4, is the most severe. The wound may expose muscle, bone, or tendons. Coding Guideline 2A is unstageable pressure ulcers, and this category is L89 through 0. In some cases, the physician might be unable to clinically determine the stage of the ulcer. And this because the ulcer is covered by what we call eschar. Eschar is just scarring, or the patient's skin has been treated at some point with some type of skin or muscle graft. So you must have clinical documentation in order to code unstageable. So when there's no documentation regarding the pressure ulcer stage, the coding guidelines instructs you to code what's called an unspecified stage, and your category here is L89 through 9. Let's look at this coding snapshot. So if you were coding decubitus ulcer stage 3 left heel, you'd go to your alphabetical index. Let's go there now. So go to your alphabetical index, go to your main term ulcer, scroll down to pressure, and then stage 3, and then site, because we said earlier when you're coding ulcers, you have to have the site and the stage. So again, ulcer, pressure, stage 3, and our site is heel. And you see there L89.6 with a dash and a check mark. So that indicates to us when we go to the tabular list, we're going to have to add additional characters. So let's check our tabular list. What we see here is L89.6. And then in front of that, you will see the little check mark to check the additional characters. So when we scroll down further, we see L89.62, and it says check 6 character. So this lets you know we have to have 6 characters. So we scroll down and we see L89.623, pressure ulcer of the left heel, stage 3. I hope you have found this ulcer coding snapshot helpful.